climb inside the 2013 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.